Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix your iPhone battery draining quickly. First of all, open up the settings in your iPhone. Then scroll down in settings and tap on the battery option from here. Once you get into the battery option, scroll down and you will see all the apps and their battery usage will be displayed beside their name. And as you can see, in my case, the Instagram app contains the most battery usage. It might be a different app in your case. You can see the battery activity from here. Then get back to settings and scroll up. Now tap on the general option from here. After that, scroll down in general and choose the background app refresh. Then go into the background app refresh and select the Wi-Fi and mobile data option from here. Now you can toggle off the different apps from here, which are not in use but still they are consuming the battery. Then get back to settings and scroll up. From here, you will find the screen time option. Tap on it. Now from screen time, you can add a limit. Choose the different apps and tap on next. Then you can add the app limits that will apply to this device. A notification will appear 5 minutes before the limit is reached. After setting the limit, click to add it. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.